back, my friends. I hope everyone is looking forward to the long holiday weekend if you are celebrating Thanksgiving here in the United States. But this is Lindsay coming back with another work from home job lead. Before we get into all the holiday festivities, today I have the big commercial bank, PNC. They have two different open positions. So we will just dive on in. Just know that the links to everything are in the YouTube description box below. But first up, they are hiring a customer service representative. This is 100% remote for the United States. They want someone who is either in the Mountain or the Pacific time zone for this position. But as a customer service representative, you'll provide routine support to all the PNC customers who initiate contact with their virtual customer care center. So it's any questions people call in about regarding products, online directions of how to work the website, questions about their account. You'll communicate directly with customers as internal and external service partners to resolve any issues, questions, or service requests that they have. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. However, they are looking for someone who is a multitasker, a problem solver, someone who is tech savvy, can have high attention to detail, and make decisions quickly, thinking critically. Now, unfortunately for this position, they did not list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But a position that they have open that does list pay is a virtual sales representative for their customer care center. Now, this is remote within the United States. They do not list any time zone restrictions, but you'll perform customer service and sales support activities and initiatives. You'll transition the conversation to present sales opportunities and increase share of wallet to customers and handle inquiries. You'll support a complex, dedicated suite of products, services, and leverage any advanced processes or tools. You'll receive, investigate, and respond to customer service and sales inquiries regarding products, services, and issues via all channels which the customer is served. So you are trying to upsell a current customer on products that they don't yet have, like sign up for that PNC credit card, open that CD, things like that, or you're trying to get new customers who don't have an account to open an account. Now again, this position does not require any kind of college degree. They are looking for someone who has knowledge of banking products and services, someone who is tech savvy, someone who can be a problem solver, and again, multitask. Now, as I said, this position did list the pay. It is anywhere from $40,980 a year all the way up to $54,625 a year. And of course, they offer a benefit package with your standard medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.